1, 2.
Hey guys, welcome back to Snack Review. I'm Iyana Banana Pits and he's Evans. And today we are joined by some guests. She's Leia, she's Jade, and she's Naya.
And today we are going to be doing a challenge video. We are going to be doing a sour candy challenge video. We have Sour Punch Candy, which is our level 1 candy for today. We have Super Sour Warheads Bubblegum, which is our level 2. And then we have Toxic Waste, which is our level 3 candy. How the challenge is going to work is each round is going to be 60 seconds. So on the first round, we're going to eat the candy. Nobody can make a face for 60 seconds. After 60 seconds is done, everybody that's in will make it to round 2. Round 2, we'll do the same for round 2 with the snack. And then on round 3, because it is the most sour candy in the world, it is a different challenge. You can make faces, but you can't spit the candy out. 15 seconds is the lowest mark you can get. If you can get to 60 seconds, then you're the champion. Okay? Is everybody ready? All right, let's get this candy going. All right, does everybody have their candy ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, this one's gonna be easy. That's simple. No faces, no faces. Oh, this is simple. We're not even gonna need 60 seconds. Alright, you're done. You good? Okay, we didn't even need 60 seconds. Everybody's gonna make it into round 2. Okay, now we're on to round 2. Is Warheads Super Sour Gumballs. So we got 1 minute on the clock. Everybody got their candy ready?
Yes.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go. No faces, no faces. Okay. Y'all doing good. 30 more seconds.
Did you swallow it? You're not supposed to, it's gone.
It's gone.
It's plastic.
It's okay. Jade, you alright?
All right, 5 seconds. Okay, that's time. Everybody made it into round 3. This is gonna be the hardest round, guys. Is everybody ready? We're gonna get into round 3.
It was sour.
It was sour. When we first chewed into it, it was sour. When you first bit into it, it was sour. So everybody made it into round 3, though.
I like them.
Go edit that part out.
All right, now we are on to round 3. Like I said, the rules changed in round 3. This is Toxic Waste, the most toxic candy in the world. It has a caution to not eat more than 1 at a time. It can cause irritation of the mouth. So if you do try this challenge, be careful. Okay, on the package, they have 4 different time settings for, you know, the levels. It's 15 seconds is the first level, 30 seconds is the second level, 45 seconds is the third level, and then 60 seconds is the last level. Also in the middle, there is a sour center in it. So even if you get through the candy and get to the center, you have another sour burst to go through in the middle. So is everybody ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, I'm so ready.
3, 2, 1, go.
Straight out.
15 seconds gone. 30 seconds, go.
It's not that bad.
Crazy.
What?
You're crazy.
They're crazy.
That's 45 seconds.
We made it from two. Now we can't make it from this. Done.
Alright, that's 60 seconds. Oh, bad. I'm starting sweating.
It's not that bad.
I think the sour is going off the middle. Like I said, when you get to the middle, it's going to be another little burst of sour.
I'm out.
I can't put
That's
that.
already sweet.
You want to bite it and see if you can eat the middle?
What is wrong with my finger? There's no science in the middle.
It wasn't mine. Oh, man. All right, that was a sour challenge. Jade, what you got out at 15 seconds? You got out in 15 seconds?
I kind of want to know what this.
Go.
Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Iyana Banana Pants, and he's Evans. And you guys are beautiful. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.